Welcome. My name is Milind Desai. Today we are going to learn surface hardening. Learning objective of this session are to understand surface hardening. Second objective is to understand advantages of surface hardening. Third, to understand methods of surface hardening. And fourth is to understand flame hardening. Surface hardening. Most of the applications such as camshaft, crankshaft, gears, this type of applications required hard and wear resistant surface. This, this surface is also called as a case, and comparatively it requires soft, tough and shock resistant inside, which is called as a core. In this case, gear TZ is there, and here case, this is the case and this is the core. This case should be hard and wear resistance because friction is there, and to sustain shocks inner core should be tough, and these type of uh, requirements cannot be fulfilled by full hardening. So surface hardening is required. Advantages of surface hardening: here we can get higher wear resistance. Mechanical properties are improved. Surface hardness is increased. Improved ductility. Impact resistance is also increased. Fatigue strength is also increased. Then here we can obtain tough core to resist shock. Also we can rebuild one or undersized parts. Then we can obtain close tolerance on workpiece. Methods of surface hardening. There are two types of methods. First is by changing surface composition, and second one is without changing surface composition. Changing surface composition includes again 5 methods: solid carburizing, gas carburizing, liquid carburizing, nitriding and cyaniding. And without changing surface composition, flame hardening and induction hardening. Now we will see the flame hardening. Flame hardening, it is the process of case hardening which produces hard and wear resistance layer on and tough core of steel by the application of heat from a flame followed by quenching. Here for quenching water is used, and any type of hardenable steel or cast iron can be flame hardened. And one important thing is that flame hardened components are tempered at low temperature to relieve the internal stresses. Flame hardening causes less distortion than conventional hardening, and due to high heating rate, oxidation and decarbonization are minimum. Surface hardening includes 4 stages, 4 types. Spot hardening, where local area of component is heated and quenching by water. Then progressive method. In this case, heating and quenching devices are moved over the component, and it is by control rate. Third one is spinning method, used for parts having rotational symmetry like gears, gear teeth. Then fourth is combination of progressive and spinning method. Here work is rotated and flame are traversed for heating followed by water spray.